Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you 10 tips for veggies and herbs. Number 1, get fresh with the tomato. Make your tomatoes last longer by storing them stem side down. And here's a tip. To peel a tomato quickly, place the tomato in boiling water from 20 to 60 seconds and then the skin should peel right off. Number 2, sack the celery. Celery that comes in plastic bag from the store is not the best way to store your celery. To preserve your celery, instead, place celery in a paper bag instead. Number 3, revive celery that's rubbery. Start by cutting celery or slicing celery and then store in a plastic bag or container with enough water to cover it and place into the refrigerator. 4, limp lettuce. Revive lettuce by adding lemon juice to a container of cold water, then place in the container and soak for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Number 5, an easy way to remove silk. Try using a wet paper towel and then rubbing the corn from one end to the other to remove your silk. Number 6, this is unusual. To shorten the cooking time of your baked potatoes about 15 minutes, insert a clean nail into your potato. That way it will conduct the heat to the middle of the potato. By the way, here's a tip. Do not cook your potato in the microwave with the nail inserted. Number 7, clingy herbs. Herbs like rosemary, cilantro, parsley, sage can cling to a cutting board. Instead, take some clean kitchen scissors and chop the herbs directly into the dish or a measuring cup. Number 8, slow onions from sprouting. Onions will last longer if you wrap them in aluminum foil. Number 9, this is a great tip, everyone. Number 9, saving your onions. If you have half of an onion left, rub that exposed edge with butter and that will help keep it fresh longer. Number 10, keep herbal teas fresh. Store in airtight container and do not store in the refrigerator or the freezer, nor any other place that has moisture. All right, guys, those are my 10 tips for veggies and herbs. I hope that you learned something from this video. Please leave a comment. If you can, subscribe, support my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.